Good morning, everybody. Want to welcome you to my channel, Hiking with Hank. Glad to have you, and I hope you are having a great day. Well, I am back out here on trail doing a day hike this morning. The trail I wanted to go to, there was just a bunch of people there, and some of them just looked kind of iffy. Not judging people, but I don't know, you kind of get the vibe that you just don't want to leave your car there and go in, do the trail, and come back out, and then your car's screwed up. So it was a trail that I've never done, but that's okay. I came on up the road, and so we are back in here on another trail, Avery Creek, Clawhammer, and Buckhorn. They all come in together. So we're going to go back in here and see some waterfalls. So stay with me. And when we come up on some good views or something of interest, I'll bring it to you. All right. Welcome back, everybody. Well, it is a great day, as you can see. Blue skies all around. Temperature, I'd say, in the low 40s. Pretty good little nip in the air. But that's okay. Terrain's not bad at all. Got some beautiful water shots. I love water. We should be getting close to getting back here to one of the falls. Had some horses in here. I didn't think this was a horse trail, but I guess it is. Okay. Across this bridge. All right, when we get back to the falls, I'll get back to you. Welcome back, everybody. It has been a great morning. Starting to warm up real good now. I mean, it's just such a beautiful day to be out. It's just beautiful over that way. Sun through the trees. If you go back over that way and you go straight ahead, you go up that mountain right over there, and I mean, it is a steep climb. But if you keep on going, you get some beautiful ridge walking, and I mean beautiful views. I've got a video out where I did that trail. I can't think of the name of the trail we started at, because it turned out to be about 4 trails that we looped around doing. But there's a shelter back in there also that you can stay at. Got good water and everything. You can just smell some of the buds of the, I guess it's the trees. But I mean, it smells so good out here. Well, everybody, I want to thank you for watching. Thank my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so when I put a video out, you will know. Okay, let me see what we're gonna do here. I don't want to forward this. I don't know if there's another way of going around it. I don't see no other way of going around it. And you know what? I ain't about to forward it. I'll just go back and circle around. If it was a little bit lower, yeah, that'd be okay. I'd go across it, but I'm not going to get my feet soaking wet this morning. It ain't that warm. So we just go right back up here and go back around. But anyway, again, thanks for watching. And as always, I will see you out on the trail.